Hey. This is how you write it down. Hey. The English equivalent is H. Now, a very special feature of this letter is whenever it comes in the end of a word, like so, you remember this letter. This is Daled from the previous lesson. So whenever it comes at the end of a word, like so, we don't read it. We only read the Daled. And we read it according to the vowel sign that is attached to it. However, if we put the letter Hey in the beginning of a word and the Daled after that, we read both of the letters, Hey and Daled. So, in this case, for example, this is going to be read as Da. The Hey is silent. We read the Daled according to the vowel that is attached to it. And here, Head. Head. So, as you can see, the vowels usually control on how we say the word. They indicate the pronunciation. More about this later. The next letter is Vav. This is very easy to write down, like so. The English equivalent is V. Vav. V. As you remember, the letter Bet from the previous lesson, whatever Bet has no doubt in it, no dot, we read it as Vet, V. Also, these letters have similar pronunciations, yet they are different. Also, Vav is a very special letter. We'll talk about it in the next section. The next letter is Zain. This is how we write it down. As you can see, this letter is very similar to the previous letters, Vav, but it is a little bit different. Note the differences. The English equivalent is Z. Z. Zain. What is special about this letter is, once again, the pronunciation changes whenever we put this little sign above the letter, the gerish. So, whenever we see this gerish above the letter Zain, we pronounce it as J. J. Like Jacques, for example. Without it, once again, like Z. Z and J, according to this little sign.